What's up? This video is going to take a look at some word problems. This specific one is an age problem. Alright, so the sum of the ages of John and Mary is 32. 4 years ago, John was twice as old as Mary. Find the present age of each. Alright, as you do any type of word problem, you want to define your variables and then you want to go ahead and make sense of the problem. So, in this case, our unknowns are John's age and Mary's age. We're going to call John X. We're going to call Mary Y. Now, when you look at an age word problem, if we have the future or the past, we also want to figure out what their age would have been then. So, John's age 4 years ago would have been X plus 4. I lied, X minus 4 because it was 4 years ago. And Mary's age 4 years ago would have been Y minus 4. At this point, we need to go ahead and set up two equations. So, we know that the sum of John and Mary's age is 32. So, if we take X plus Y, because sum is the answer of an addition problem, it is 32. Okay, so there's our first equation. 4 years ago, all right, so now we're looking at the then. John, so John 4 years ago was X minus 4. Was, so that's going to be like is, which means equals. Twice as old as Mary. Here's where you have to be careful. He was twice as old as Mary, so it's 2 times Mary's age then. So to show that, we put it into a grouping. All right. Now we have two equations. X plus y equals 32 and x minus 4 equals 2 times y minus 4. At this point, we get to choose how we want to solve it. I'm going to start by simplifying my green equation here. We distribute, we get 2y minus 8. Here we have x minus 4, so x is equal to 2y minus 4. And we can take this 2y minus 4 and substitute it in to the equation that's up here. So because x is the 2y minus 4, so we replace it. Over here in blue, we get 2y minus 4 plus y is equal to 32. So we have 3y minus 4 is 32. And when we add the 4, we get 3y is 36. So y is 12. All right. And we go back up here to this equation. We can put 12 in. When we subtract it, we find that x plus 12 is 32. So x is 20. If that's true, 20 plus 12 needs to be 32. It is. And 4 years ago, okay, so when John was 16, Mary was 8, and he was twice her age. So, in our original equation, we need to look at what it asked for. It asked for that present age. Okay, so we notice that present age. So John is 20 years old, and Mary is 12. Thank you and stay cool.